What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Give me a sec. All right. Let's see what we got, man. This is some garbo. Straight garbo. I've been getting slapped, but I've been getting I haven't had big losses, but I've definitely gotten some L's this week. But I've been surviving, so that's the big thing about trading. You just have weeks like this. It's really not that crazy. But you're never ready for it unless you have rules, right? You're never ready for these types of weeks. I wonder if we got S&T here. I will be taking trades live if we get them. I'm going to be trading probably evals. I don't know. If it looks really good, I'll throw a PA at it. This looks good right here, guys. What time is it? I may long this here. This looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and stab along. Come on, Nelly. There we go. And if we get past this, I'll probably add. I may take this on another account too. Take this on micros. This looks pretty good. So I'm also in this on 2 accounts on micros. It's just that type of week I'm not too excited about. My expectations are low, and that's how it should be every day, honestly. I think we've just been hitting so hard lately that we just got a little bit blindsided. This is the favorable PT. That's the cleanest draw to me, but just the way you've been trading, we're going to manage this accordingly along the way. I like this first PT here. I'd probably go for that and then set stops at break even. Again, I really want to see us get past this right here. This is a 3-minute fair value gap. If we get past this, that'll just stack the confluence on this. But we have a nice V-shaped recovery here, delivering off this internal low. Man, these trades always hit as soon as I start the live too. It's crazy. Again, if we can get a convincing move through the 3-minute fair value gap here, I'll probably add. I wish we had SMT at the bottom. That'd be a small ass just because of how we've been fucking moving lately. German, Irvin, Silver, Evo, what up, baby? You're in this? Yeah. This looks good, but just again, I'm trading this on eval, bro. Just the way the market's been. So expectations are low on this. But I am going to trade it because I'm a trader, man. If I see a setup, I see it. We're also in a macro. So that helps. Ultimate P final so full TP here, partials here. Partial, break even. Assuming we get this. Stops are probably going to be I'm probably gonna give this a little more breathing room. This is a protected low, so if we break that low, this trade's fucked. Or it's gonna break this low and then retap this and then like SMT and then go. I don't really know, but this move right here was nice, so we got to take those signs. Pretty nice V-shaped recovery there. Small size. Like this should hold. If we were to like invert this completely, like that would tell me like, I mean, that would just speak to the price action. Like just the draws on liquidity have been so fucking bad, dude. They've been so terrible. Oh my lord. Like nothing is going, and I think a lot of it's just market volatility. We got a new president. That's got to be it, dude. I mean, the dude is speaking publicly every fucking 2 hours about a new bill or some shit. I mean, it's gonna cause markets to probably be less efficient because there's just weariness, and you don't know how the responses will be to certain news. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a hard stop here. What do you guys think of the markets? Let's see. Yes, sir. My TP have been falling short all day. Dude, my TPs have been falling short all week, bro. Like, the best trades I got, like the cleanest trade I got was in Asia last night. Probably this week. I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy, dude. It's crazy. It sucks. It sucks, but that's where we have to do things like what I'm doing now. We have to trade smaller size. We have to trade eval accounts. So this is one con eval. Okay, I'm not going for the moon here. I did go heavier on micros on other accounts. I'm going to let that ride a little bit. But yeah, this fair value gap is kind of the thing right here. Higher time frame wise, I mean, massive SMT here at the low too. This looks good. Swept that low. I just noticed all this. Yeah, this is a high probability setup. This should go. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. This market's just fucked. this market's just straight fucked. I mean, like I said, there is a chance we could manipulate this low and then have the move. I don't know. All right. Give me a like the video, brethren and sisterin. Right now I'm trading small size. I'm not playing with this market right now. This market is, oh my lord, this market is just ass. It's just so bad for NQ. Now, obviously, like, I love the people in the world that are like, oh, well, I'm green this week. It's like, someone's going to be green. But majority of people who know what they're doing, they at least agree that the price action's been inefficient. They can at least agree on that. Now, you can still be green in inefficient price action. Like, it's not impossible. There's winners and losers every day in the markets. But most people that I fuck with, they're kind of on the same page. Doesn't mean they were in green today, though, right? So just remember that. This to me is a kind of a survival day, survival week. If you are just seeing consecutive days of bad price action, you really just need to adjust accordingly as a trader around your risk management, right? So don't really trade your funded accounts as heavy. Maybe, these are all suggestions. Don't trade your funded accounts as heavy. Trade evals only, trade micros only. I don't know, whatever you want to do. All right, so far respecting the fair value gap. Really want to get it close through this. I will probably add if we get this. It's hard to add. It's hard to even want to add, dude. This is just such a bad market. I think this is just to get what you can. There's also nice equal highs right here. That could be a take profit as well. Depending on when you get on this trade, if you got in when I got in, that's 23 points. So, that's a happy man right there, or woman. All right, this looks pretty good. I think I'm going to add here. Let me get like a good 2-minute close maybe. What is this? 918. Break even, my boy. This is gonna be one of those trades. Like if it performs, it's gonna carry us through the fucking bell at this point. There's a macro in 35 minutes. That's usually a pretty aggressive one, active one, especially on a Friday, I believe. I had to back test that, but I just remember being a trader back in the day. Like for some reason, closing bell on Fridays was just straight bussing. Hey, KP, after FEG gets respected, do you wait for more of a confirmation that price really wants to go in that direction, or you just jump straight in it if it aligns with higher time frame? I wait for confirmation. The higher time frame alignment is just confluence. It's not confirmation. So yes, always wait for confirmation. My confirmation on this entry, for example, was... we got this 2-minute close right here, and I waited for it. And I did it live, so y'all believe it. But when I was on the stream, when I started the stream, this candle was pumping here. And, some people may itch to just jump into that right away, but I just wait for confirmation. I just do. Just from a lot of back testing and stuff, I just don't mess with it. Because sometimes it matters. Now, it depends on the day. Like if price action's been really aggressive all day, like if it's been efficient price action all day and it's been achieving objectives, it's been going towards the draw efficiently, then if there is momentum coming into that candle, instead of waiting for the close, I will jump in. So it's circumstantial, but usually I wait for the close. That's just good discipline, good habit. If you want to try to catch it on momentum, you can. I've done it plenty of times just because, it could keep pumping and then you're fucked because you had to wait another 30 seconds for confirmation. And over that span of 30 seconds, it just blew a gasket. So that's my caveat on that. But and remember, the higher time frame adds conviction as well. So if you have higher time frame conviction alongside your aggressive entry, that you got in without confirmation, you still have the higher time frame on your side. It just depends too on your rule, like how much drawdown you have too, like as well. Like if you can let this trade kind of develop, then you're good. If you can't really afford to, then you might want to wait for confirmation or try to get a sniper entry. So I'm gonna take this out. I hate those things. I hate those things. I just use them to measure. So I'll go in here and I'll be like, okay, you know. So that's 30 points. Or I'll look at the risk reward. So this would be like, I don't know, a couple $100 on eval. It's nothing crazy. But again, I am trading on my funded accounts. I'm just using my phone. This is crazy. All right. Watching paint dry on this motherfucker. That's trading for you. Usually I'm done trading in the morning. I'm done by like 11 o'clock Central most days. I'm not a big PM trader, but we got to do it for the fam. We got to do it for the family, the familia. They want to see your boy live trade. Yeah, I mean, just look at the, just zoom out, dude. Like, look at the 10-minute. Like, look at these fucking candles, dude. Or look at the 5-minute. Just straight fucking ass cheeks galore, my dude. Just so fucking garbage. Like, on like a normal day, bro. I won't say normal, but on, like, you know, efficient day. Like, this would have just went right here, bro. Now it's doing all this fucking dicking around shit. And we're here. Like, good night, man. Yeah, this is a nice setup here though. This higher time from SMT. Again, just trying to catch an internal high here on this move. I'm not going for anything. I mean, I would like to get this, obviously, but I don't know if we're going to run, you know, 80 points right now. Watch this low. Could soup that. Appreciate the explanation, brother. Excited to see your content in the future. Thanks, bro. No problem. Yeah, I'll release some ICT stuff. Nope. Fuck. No SMT there. Man, this is so bad. This is so bad. Oh, Lord. So bad. Well, that's part of trading. I don't know. Someday I'll be on this live and I'll be catching just fat dubs. But you know what? Sometimes you're going to catch L's as well. And that's the problem with the trading space. A lot of people think like you're just going to be bussing every day, which is crazy. I mean, it's possible, but even the best have bad days or flat days or whatever, or red. Got an SMT here inside of this fair value gap right here. And really the fair value gap that we inversed. We kind of need to hold it though because it's kind of the last stand. I mean, that's why I set my stops at the low. Double top right there. Target that FVG, bro. This shit is so smoked right now. Like, this shit's retarded, dude. About to just fucking inverse this shit. Oh my gosh, this price action is so fucking cheeks. So fucking cheeks. So cheeks. Why can't you just be good when I'm going live, bro? That's all I ask. How am I gonna be slapping every time but when I'm live, bro? That's crazy. There's a SMT there still. Maybe that's what this near-term reaction is. Even for me, this is horrible. Someone in my Discord. This is horrible for most people, man. This is so bad. Oh my God. It just doesn't make sense. I wonder, yeah, like I said, I think the efficiency is just somewhere else. I think it's in YM this week. It looks like euro dollar is going good. But Nasdaq is just like fucking cripple handicap. Fucking, I don't know. That's why we go light. That's why we trade evals. You know, I guess the silver lining is we know what we're looking for. That's the silver lining in this. Because if we're sitting here on a day like today and it's just difficult to find setups and stuff, then it's very clear in our minds like what we're looking for. And it's important because as a trader, you need to know what you're looking for. If you don't know what you're looking for, that's not fucking trading. You're gambling. You need to have a little bit of a mechanical approach. Mechanical approach in a dynamic environment. That's how you'll do well. All right, still waiting for this 3-minute fair value gap for 23 minutes now. Let's fucking go. Like, can we get through this 3-minute fair value gap here, bro? Is that too much for you? I know you hear me, bitch. He's talking to the charts like a madman. Hit that like, guys. It helps the channel a lot. Please, please, please. Thank you. You know what? That's fine. If I get clapped on live, this isn't even getting clapped, by the way. But if we lose on live, I'm good. Take advantage of this time while I'm on here, too. If you guys want me to run up some shit, let me know. If you want to get my thoughts on the trade, why I got in here. If you're looking at something yourself, let me know. We'll pull it up quick. Take advantage of this time. I don't live trade on YouTube much. I prefer to just live trade in my Discord when and if, but I figured today just because price action is so garbage. So I'm just like, yeah, I don't know if we'll get anything anyway. So that was kind of where my head was at. But we happened to get a pretty nice A+ setup. A+ setup. I mean, as soon as I got on the stream, go rewatch the stream, you'll see where I took it. A+ entry, A+ everything, higher time frame context alignment, everything. And we've been sitting here ever since. We've been sitting here ever since. I should have been green on this bitch fucking 15 minutes ago, and we're looking for the next trade right now. So, yeah, it is what it is. I'm just commentating at this point. Yo, bro, you remind me of that 9-to-5 trader guy. He used to trade trend lines. I am 9-to-5 trader. I am 9-to-5 trader. I'm just bald now. I don't wear my Under Armour hat, and now I'm bald, and I'm older, and I'm more knowledgeable. I still trade trend lines. I traded trend. Well, I wanted to trade a trend line today, right here. This trend line was money in hindsight. Not really. Price still traded like shit going through it, but I still use trend lines. I traded a trend line on Bitcoin. I called the Bitcoin breakout to 100,000. I still use trend lines. Trend lines are fucking goated. Trend lines are always goated, dude. Trend lines are applicable to every type of trading. Any form of trading you want to do. You want to be a pattern trader, you want to trade ICT, you want to trade SMC, kind of the same thing. you want to trade it with indicators or whatever, like trend lines are legit. They're definitely legit. And this looks like maybe a trend line here. I'm hoping it's a trend line. I'm probably just hallucinating because I've been hallucinating all fucking week by this fucking bullshit ass price action. This is so fucking bad. Oh, Lord. All right, we got stopped out. We can still watch this, though. We can still watch this. I'm not going to chase, but sometimes it's good when we hit these internal lows because price can be pretty reactive to it. So let's go ahead and reset here a little bit. I'll take another one if we get it. I'm just, whatever, dude. We're on YouTube, dude. We got to show out. Yeah. Not seeing much. Let's see. We got this order block here we're tapping into. I'm sure there's a higher time frame one. Man, this is so bad. That's all right. Now I have documented live proof of how shitty price action was. Oh, man. I'll buy that. Yeah, it's just hard not to have a long bias since we've been selling off all day, right? We manipulated that high, sold off all day, and then we tapped into this low or sell side in a fat discount, relatively speaking, and we formed an SMT at the low. So this looks really prime. I did mention before getting stopped out that there is a chance we could come back down lower and then run this and manipulate this low. That is possible. Check 2-minute FEG. Tom's nephew, a lot of N-Dog below us, I believe. I slapped one banger on the funding today. I'll upload a video of it later. Bet. Get it, bro. Check 2-minute FEG. Yeah, it's kind of mid. This 1 minute here is not bad. Oh my gosh. There's low resistance liquidity here. Like baby low resistance liquidity. I don't know. I feel like I'm just like forcing it at this point. All right. Ass. Straight ass, man. All right. All right. What are you guys thinking? What are you guys looking at? Let me know. This, I'm going to probably, I don't know if I want to long this. Time is it? 2:30. I'll take it. It's good momentum. I'm waiting for the close. This price action, man, fuck. This is so bad. Last time I took an A+ setup, it didn't end so well. I'll probably paper trade this. Ooh, no. Don't let this be the trade, dude. Man, you just fucked me around for half an hour, dude. Do not let this be a fucking entry, bro. I swear. Here, guys, take that for now. switch my account. All right, well, it's your guys' money. I've already gotten my L today, so I'm going to be a responsible trader, and I'm going to paper trade this. I'm going to realistically paper trade it. So let's see. Today's been a shitty day, so realistically, I wouldn't trade 2 cons on this, but I'm just going to do it for sizing purposes and trade management purposes. So I'm taking this trade. Let's change it to money, and let's extend. Oh, my life hurts. My life hurts. Here is low resistance liquidity. That looks primed to run. So realistically, first take profit would probably be up here if we get it. Now, if we close through this 3-minute fair value gap, this is still valid. If we can close through this, it's gonna go. It should go higher. So that looks prime. I may change the style on these. Kind of dark or bright. 14%. There we go. 14%'s not bad. Oh my god. I'm gonna punch a baby so quickly, bro. Are you fucking kidding me with this shit right now, dude? I don't know how I don't know how I don't do drugs, guys. I don't know. I mean, I do Zen if you count that. I don't know how I'm not ripping darts like 24/7. It comes with trading. It's just mandatory dart smoking. It comes with trading. The low resistance liquidity does look pretty prime though. So if we can get this high up here, I would trim there and then move stops to break even. Because by the time we get that high, we would likely close through this. And if we close through this, we're going to probably go up here, right? You kind of see how it works. Like there's levels to this shit. And it's just the ladder. One minute order block right here. Just draw that in for fun. I don't really do much with order blocks, to be honest. But if we start dipping into this fair value gap a little bit, that could be a spot to watch. We do have a macro in 15 minutes, so that should give us a nice move. Paper trading. Oh, damn. I didn't even check the chat. This chat is bussing, son. All right, y'all. Hey, give me a like while you're at it. Appreciate it. Thank you. Please. It helps out the channel, guys, quite a bit. I'm one of those small YouTubers, so I need the likes, all right? I'm fiending. What do I mean by Hold on. Keep an eye out for that macro. If Tessie breaks 406.25, I'm grabbing shorts for next week. What's going on with Tessie, bro? I'll take a look. Fuck this trade. You said if it breaks what? 406.25? Oh, yeah. That's not a bad look. Just maybe throw an email on there and see if that helps. TP means take profit. TP, PT, take profit, profit take, price target, status 1, take profit. Yes, sir. Thank you, reality. Looking mighty, search and destroy E. Bro, S&D is fucking done right now, son. I only look for that shit in the morning. I guess I can look right now. Let me see. Nah. I looked for it this morning and not see it. S&D is nice. I do this every day. I do not do it every day. I do trade every day, though. ES rebound today. Well, however, Mac, I do go live. So I'm going to start going live on YouTube like 3 times a week. So if you want to review stuff, let me know. That's when I'll be on. Starting next week. ES rebound today. Yeah, you know, that's kind of what that's kind of what I'm hoping for. I mean, you look at the higher time frame. All-time highs is the obvious draw right now. All right, all-time highs is the obvious draw. You look internally here, right? Come over to NQ. We swept sell side, formed an SMT at the low. This is on the hourly chart. Traded back into a discount, at least relative to this leg. Relative to, like, I don't know if you want to talk about this leg. Like, we're not quite at EQ. Yeah, but ES. So based on what I'm saying is like we're trading it so discounted, and there's signs that are potentially showing we're going to bounce around here, at the current moment, okay? Because we took that low in the higher time frame. We're trading discounted, and we have an SMT, so there's divergence on the lows. Whenever there's divergence on the lows, like the obvious key lows on the higher time frame, whenever there's divergence, that is typically a sign, a signature in price that suggests there could be a reversal, right? So this works for the highs and the lows. You've seen it. It's just divergence. Like RSI has divergence. There's MACD divergence. There's like divergence with a bunch of shit, and that's just looking at raw price action, where you take these lows and see, you know, if like ES has a higher low, but NQ has a lower low, that's divergence because they should be the same. Man, this price action is so bad. I only need to say it 40 more times, guys. Okay, that's it. Then we're done saying it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, bruh. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see what I put on my story today with that Tropic Thunder shit? That's how I feel. That's how I felt most of this week. I feel like that scene in Tropic Thunder where that motherfucker's trying to jump on the helicopter and he's just sitting there just getting sprayed by the markets. Fucking sucks. That's how I feel. Like I'm just trying to survive. That's just survival week. I think Monday was pretty good. There was a decent day this week, but it's been pretty wish-wash. Look at this. We tapped that order block to the tick. Beautiful. All right. Let me know if you guys got any more questions. I didn't realize how shiny I looked. Yeah, it looks a lot better now. Been going through your 2022 ICT video. So this is the FVG and algo times. So this FVG and algo times only applies to ES, NQ, Forex, correct? That, yeah, I mean, yes. I only trade ES and NQ. Typically ICT, a lot of his stuff works best on NQ. It works for both ES and NQ, but it works like the absolute best for NQ and then Forex as well. So it's, yeah, those three, yes. Yeah, and they have different times too. They got like the kill zones and shit. But I don't really trade kill zones. I just trade macros. That's it. But yeah, 2022 is what you want to study. By the way, this trade is like pretty fucking toast. That's okay. It's part of trading. Just hate to see it, man. Like, all these setups are A+. These are A+, guys. I'm taking this trade every day of the week till I die, baby. They're too good at setups, but you know, it's just that's why nothing is 100%. It's just the stock market sometimes. Sometimes price delivery's off. There's price inefficiencies. There's you know, it's the volatility, it's the news, there's so many factors. But yeah. Thank God this was a responsible paper trade. No, yeah, you just gotta have discipline, dude. You know, that's really what it boils down to. Like, you know, when I first took that L a little bit ago, you know, I wasn't risking a whole lot, and I didn't have much to lose if it was an L, right? I didn't go heavy on like my funded account. I didn't do some stupid ass shit. So then with this trade just now, right? I took if I took an A+ setup and it fails, like that's usually a big cue, especially if there's two A+ setups in a row, then I'm usually done trading for the day. That was an A+ setup. I'm taking it 9 times out of 10. I took it, didn't work out. Boom, I'm done. Because that should have went. I've had so much chart time. I have a lot of experience, thousands of hours staring at fucking candles. That should have went there in an efficient market. So, you know, you just can't help that shit. It's just, that's why days like this is where rules are going to be so important, because you are a human being. You're going to have emotions, and that's where you need to have discipline. That's where you need to have rules, because the days where you're emotional, or you keep losing and you go on tilt, or you keep trying to trade your way back, and then you end up digging a deeper hole, blowing accounts. If you have rules in place, such as, hey, I lost 2 A+ setups in a row, I'm going to paper trade now. If you have those type of rules in place, you're going to make it. You're going to make it. Like, it's very simple. It's just not easy. Like, it's simple shit. But I've struggled with it before. I used to have fucking 20 Apex accounts. I blew, like, majority of them. I mean, it just happens. So, yeah, just get better at rules, and there's kind of proof in the pudding right there, right? This is just whiplashing around, right? At this point, I'm just commentating and tape reading. Obviously, since we're paper trading, we can just take as many as we want, but I don't even see anything tradable here. There might be an SMT at this low, which there is, but that's the problem too, guys. I don't give a lot of tips publicly. That's more for my private Discord, but whenever you see SMTs, when you keep seeing SMTs on the highs and lows of price action, like, stay away. That's not good. Okay. Usually that just shows just how inefficient and inconsistent the price is. Because think about it. Just think about it from a high level. Price keeps telling you back and forth that it's going to go up or down, versus just clear cut, like, hey, I'm trying to go up, clear cut, hey, I'm trying to go down. It keeps saying it each time you get near that area. Oh, just kidding. And so, you know, with that analogy, it's just very risky. Yeah, I noticed these setups in your ICT videos. Yeah, these are A+, dude. These are A+ setups. Like, if you guys go on my Instagram, I preach about my strategy all the time. Hint, hint. And so if you watch enough videos, you'll probably figure out how I trade. But anyways, if you watch my videos, you'll see, like, this is A+. All these this setup I took earlier, A+. Right here. It was right on this guy. Was there a trade this morning I took? I mean, look how bad this is. Oh my gosh, like, look how bad this is, dude. Like, I can tell just from experience, like, this, from experience, we should have went all the way to that high. Yeah, I watched this in real time earlier today. Like in my experience, we should have at least like went here. Even if we're gonna go further down the rest of the day, we should have at least done that before doing that. Like this is just how fucking shitty this price action is. And so when you start to lose predictability, you start to lose on your trades. Because that's all stock trading is. It's just anticipation, you layering in with probability and risk management and emotional control, and you check all those boxes, and that'll determine your trader. They'll determine you as a trader. Identify you as a trader. Yeah. There may be a bull flag here now that I'm looking at it. Just a nice fucking, just a little bull flaggy. Let's see. Yeah, just nothing here. Nothing. The higher time frame still looks ideal for a bounce here, or at least a pullback into like equilibrium or something, but let's see. Like even if we're still bearish, I'd like to see us like at least come up to here and then tap into some PD array and then go further down. Like I would like to see something like that, you know. But with that being said, at the very least, I'd like to see something like this, like, you know, at least get me to that spot. Yeah, equilibrium is about where I wanted my price target. All right, what do you guys got? Anything? Ask in the room, son. I'm going to grab a water. All right, be right back, guys. One sec. All right. Think I got enough water. All right, guys. And if any of you in here are not in my Discord, quick announcement, you are welcome to join. It is free, guys. The link's down below in the description. If you want to join up on my Discord, I got free watch lists in there for stocks and crypto. I got, and then I'm going to start doing YouTube live streams. And then we got a chat in there. We got a bunch of shit. All right, so the macro just kicked in. I will paper trade this 3-minute because I've been waiting all day for it. If we get the close. How did it not even go? That's crazy. So bad. This looks like it should have at least gone here. It probably still is. It is a little early. I'm literally like I'm literally commentating like minute by minute. So just be fair about that. But let's see, 5 minute doesn't have much. Ran all that low resistance liquidity. Likely trying to attack this high right now. I'll slap a long here for fun because paper long because again, if we can get confirmation of a close through this fair value gap, that'll suggest to me that we're trying to deliver higher. Especially with the hourly SMT and liquidity sweep. That's crazy. I beat my own ass if we don't touch this high right here. I'll beat my own ass, bro. That's literally like, is that even a point? Is that even a point away? Yeah, it's literally one exact point away. Beat my ass. You can do it, buddy. You can do it, dumbass. You ready? This 3 minute fair value gap's a fucking animal. This bro is an animal. He's been holding it down for a hot minute. All right, what do you guys got? You guys got any questions? Man. Bro, the market is so fucking ass. Bro, are you kidding? There it is. Holy shit. All right. Going long here. Bro, that high should have got taken at the macro. That's crazy. I'm rich. All right, so I would trim at these equal highs here. I'd probably do... That's only 10 points, so I'd probably realistically do like 3 or something. Yeah, no shit. I knew NQ could do it too. That's crazy, like how it went about doing it, though. That is a red flag. Big red flag. Oh. All right, tag those equal highs, and then I will probably be like mostly out here. Let me see. 1, 2, 89, 18. I'll probably just take 2 out here. Or 3. 3 is good. And then if we get the 3, that's the move I was looking for like an hour ago. This exact move. Literally an hour ago. An hour ago, twice within the last hour. We had like two pretty decent opportunities. Hello? Hello? You really just gonna wake me, bro? You fucking kidding me? What the fuck? It's fucking bogus. Hell yeah, bro. Bro, that shit got tapped twice. I'm done. What's the volume on this thing? How the fuck did that not fill? It's so liquid. That's crazy. I'm just selling one there. Like in real life, that would bug me a lot because, it's a reactive area, so I don't, we could pull back from that. It would just be fucking bullshit. I don't know if we'll retag it, but this looks pretty good. It's good momentum. Again, had the SMTs on the lows. Market closes in 1 minute. Well, closing bells in 1 minute. Final TP may be here. I don't know. I mean, I would like it to be here, but this isn't a bad. There's actually a couple good choices on the way here, but this one isn't bad either. Just because it's Friday and there's not a lot of time left. All right, I'll be full take profit up here. For what is that? 30 points. It's not bad. It's not snazzy. Oh, there we go. That's how we manage risk. All right. Bet. There we go. $6,000 trade, y'all. That's $6,000 right there. If you a beast and you manage your trade. This still looks bullish. I only went break even there because I was heavy on NQ. But this still looks bullish. That just looks like a retracement. It looks like nothing. It tapped back into that fair value gap. This still looks good. This is a nice move. Yeah, market's slow today. We'll be doing it on Monday. Bro, I need them motherfuckers come back. I need the markets back. What was the thought process behind that upper white line being full TP and not the highs before that? Just because I wanna ride out the momentum because it's just experience. I know that if price is gonna like this fair value gap, I know is significant enough. I know that if price clears through that, it's gonna move more than like 10 points. Like it's gonna want to go. And the reason why I changed my price target from here to here now is because of the time of day. That's really it. Because the market, because it's gonna liquidate me in an hour, and then open back up again. But it'll liquidate me in an hour, and then it's Friday too. Or no, in 2 hours I think. 1 hour. Yeah, I don't know. I know it's sooner than usual. But yeah, this looks good. Yeah, a lot of it's the length of the move. Like you can go full TP here if you want. Anybody can do whatever they want. I mean, 12 points with 10 cons is good money. But I've been practicing trying to catch more, and to me it's just like it's not even really worth it if I'm getting all out here. It's just not worth it. It's just not because the type of strategy that I trade and the type of moves that I see, they yield more than fucking 10-point moves. So I'm not going to waste my time with it. I'll trim at 10 points because, you want to secure the bag still and manage the trade. So sometimes I'll secure the bag at like 15, 20 points, and then I'll move stops to break even because it's a free trade from there. And then sometimes I'll ride out and give me another like 30 points. But I really want to squeeze out as much profit as I can. So that like this isn't a good spot. It's been developed, or it's developed finally. It's gone, but you got that ES run. Yes, sir. Yeah, ES looks more bullish. Where are we at? Oh, there we go. Okay. That was a nice move right there. Understand when the market shows you're right. Might as well take everything you can. Plug power. Plug power, dude. What? That's so old. Yeah, because you don't just want to be like, I don't know. It just depends on the type of trade you want to be. Like, some people are really scalpy and they just get like these fucking like 5-point, 6-point moves and just flick price. And I'm like, fuck that shit, dude. Like, I want to milk that shit out. I want to get as much as I can. So I don't know, dude. I just know from experience and back testing that move it's probably going to be a decent sized move. It's not going to be a little 10-pointer. That's all I know for sure. Just with a lot of experience. Yeah, we don't waste time with 10-point moves. Not with my strategy. Fuck that shit. I would say I usually average like per trade. I don't know. I need to analyze it again, but I'd say 20 to 30 points is just my feel. And then per day, it's depends. Sometimes like 100 points. Just depends on the day. I don't go for those targets or anything. It's just part of the system, because on an average day, like a good efficient market day, I'll probably find 2 to 3 A+ setups that are about 30 points each. So that lands me around 100 points. So I'm not going to say that's like my average, but it would be if the market was trading dandy. Because there's setups every day. They're not always A+. But you usually find an A grade or A+ setup at least once a day. I just took a fucking A+ setup a second ago, and that bitch failed. Plug power. Yeah. So this thing is $2. Hold on a second. Damn, dude. So it's pretty cheap. It's been decaying pretty bad. The good thing is you've pulled back into, a pretty good discount here. And you're holding this current floor at $1.96 or really $2, right? Especially when you're trading like with these fucking micro caps. The whole numbers are big psychological levels. So as long as you hold above $2, dude, you're sitting pretty good. All right. Probably, let's see. So I'm gonna do one last go around the room, and then I might wrap this up just because I'm not trading right now, and it is like the last hour of the week. Yo. Attention and listen because Donald Trump. Hold on a sec. All right. Well, that's it. Hopefully y'all hope y'all enjoyed the stream. Market's been a little bit shaky lately. I think a lot of it's just because we have a new president. So, there's just a lot of volatility right now. It's not a big deal. We're going to get through it as usual. Spend this weekend to kind of keep your mind fresh on the charts and sharp so we can hit the ground running next week. Other than that, y'all enjoy the rest of your weekend. We'll see you in the next one. Gang.